When you're applying brush strokes to like a circle, you'll notice that often there's a gap and you might not want that gap. How to resolve that? PC or Mac? Create a circle. Just go over here to the ellipse tool and then drag and hold down the shift. And now you've got a circle. And you can apply any of these brushes. And as you do that, you'll see there's a gap. Definitely very clear when it's doing the stretch. However, you can always double click this, and I'm just going to double click it. And that's the brushes panel, view menu, studio and brushes. And I can resize this. You can go down here. I can just drag that and drag that there. And you can see it gets very, very, very close. But it's still, even though you think, well, why doesn't it join? I must admit, I'm not certain why it doesn't join. However, it doesn't. If you go to repeat, it does exactly the same thing. Stretch or repeat, doesn't matter. There's a gap. How to resolve that? Click close. Well, what you can do, go up here. Convert to curves, so it becomes a curve instead of a circle. So convert to curves, and now you can manipulate it with other tools. Go to the tools panel and select the node tool. So there's the node tool. And now you'll see the nodes, the individual nodes that made up that original circle. And I can select this one and I can manipulate that. However, what I can also do is I can go here to action. And there's an option here, break curve. So if I click that, then you get your lovely design all the way around. And if I click this one again, or maybe another one, again, it doesn't particularly help, but you can see it's fit joined. So if I double click this one, and I can then drag these in again, exactly the same as before. So you can see that it is now joining all the way around. There isn't that little bit of a gap, which you might not be concerned with, but it's always just sort of you think, why is that gap there? Well, you can resolve it by using this. And you can go then repeat, and you can see again, you've got your design there all the way around. And you can still manipulate these, and you've still got your circle, even though there is a break in it now. Basically, it's an open path. So click close, and then you can see your design. And you can select any of the others and do exactly the same. And you can see it's applied all the way around. I'll just go to inks, just select that one. Now, again, you've got a little bit of a gap there. Let's double click on that. And again, you can, and the reason is because of this. There is a gap in the actual thing. So if I just drag that, so sometimes you look at it and think, oh, it's still a gap. That's weird. Why is there a gap still? Well, because unfortunately, that one was slightly beyond the actual design, this red line. So you can move them in. And as you do that, you see they will join. And you can click close. And that's a quick way of creating a lovely circle with a brush stroke. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.